So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and do in Claude is generate out memes as well. So for that, you can go ahead and let's say, for example, you can say something like generate 20 funny memes. So you can simply go ahead and say this memes about, let's say, for example, programming right here, just like this. And you can go ahead and hit send. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that Claude is actually thinking right here and is starting to generate 20 memes for it. So you can see it is Googling for different jokes right here, and it goes ahead and then you can see that it is thinking right here. So once it's done, you can see that this is what you have. So you get little meme cards right here, just like this. Like there's the git blame, there is it works, then there's 99 bugs and so forth. 99 little bugs in the code, 99 little bugs, take one down, patch it around, 127 little bugs in the code, and so forth. There's debugging. So there's CSS meme right here. What did you do yesterday? I moved a div 2 pixel to the left for 8 hours. Great progress. So this is what you have right here and so forth. So I told it to generate out 20 memes and it is generating out 20 meme cards right here, just like this. So this is how you can actually go ahead and then utilize my Claude to generate out memes easily, just like this as well, that you can share for fun. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.